Um, Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you for joining today's session, which is on InstaOptions. We'll be starting the session for InstaOptions in the next couple of minutes. Please stay with us. So thank you once again. My name is Nikhil Hundya, and we'll be having a walkthrough session on InstaOptions. I'm sure most of you would be aware we are live with InstaOptions, which is one of our platforms, one of our integrations that is going to help us and our customers deal in option trading in a smoother and a better way. सो जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं इंस्टा ऑप्शंस एक हमारा नया इंटीग्रेशन है जो हम अपने कस्टमर्स अपने पार्टनर्स और अपने एम्प्लॉयज के लिए लेके आए हैं जहाँ पे ट्रेडिंग इन ऑप्शंस वुड बी मच इजियर एंड मच स्मूदर. A lot of features, a lot of enhancements are available in the Insta Options product, which includes combined premium charts, OI trending data, smart strategy finder. Customers can use their advanced analytical tools, multiple order execution, which is nothing but a basket order execution facility. All these features are available in Insta Options, which will provide customers a big trading facility in terms of how we can help them in trading into options. बेसिकली ये हम अपने पीएल क्लाइंट पे भी हम लिख के आए हैं जहाँ पे पीएल क्लाइंट पे जैसे ही कोई कस्टमर्स या कोई भी हमारे एम्प्लॉयज या पीपी जाएंगे plindia.com पे दे कैन फाइंड इंस्टा ऑप्शंस मेन्यू इनटू द प्रोडक्ट्स. उनको प्रोडक्ट्स पे क्लिक करना है एंड जैसे ही वो इंस्टा ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करेंगे दे विल बी एबल टू कम इनटू अ पेज वेयर दे विल बी रिक्वायर्ड टू एंटर देयर क्रेडेंशियल्स. उनको अपना क्लाइंट कोड और पासवर्ड एंटर करना है and they need to enter the OTP once it is received on their registered email mobile address, and they'll be redirected to the Insta option web page which will allow them to use this product extensively. So, along with us, we also have the Insta Option expert, the strategy author from the Insta Option team itself, Mr. Rajesh Rajashekhar. He'll be helping us and guiding us through the detailed walkthrough on the product. He'll also help us to identify key areas and key pitching points for how we can pitch this product to our customers. And of course, we will be able to sell this or utilize its core benefits for ourselves and our customers, so that we increase our footfall in the trading of options altogether. So thank you, Rajesh, for joining. Over to you, and please guide us and take us through the platform.
Thank you, Mr. Nikhil. Yeah, so now let me share my screen.
So just to add, sorry, Rajesh, before we interrupt, as we showed you the screen for PLindia.com, we have Insta options available in our trading app as well, PL DigiTrade. So customers can go in the PL DigiTrade, and inside the products menu, they'll again be able to find the provision to use Insta options as a product altogether. Thank you, Rajesh. Over to you.
Yeah, okay, thank you so much. Okay, so now let's start. Yeah, okay. So this is the dashboard of Insta Options. So for entering into it, you just need to use your client code, MPIN, or any secret keys there, and you can just enter into it. Nothing difficult in this. Like just like logging into your broker's account. And see, this is the dashboard, and you find a lot of details in dashboard. Like you find option chain, combined chart. I'll just explain you about combined chart later on. And option chain, as you all know, this is a normal option chain. And only thing is, in our platform, wherever you see this strike price, right? So you can just buy and sell there. Okay. So if you see strike price anywhere in the main screen or in the watch list, you can buy and sell there. So this is one of the most easiest way to place an order. So with this itself, you can pitch to the client actually. Okay. So it is very easy, very fast. Like you see, it will not take more than like 2 seconds to place an order as soon as you analyze your trades. Okay. And so let's go back to dashboard. You can see now we have Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, and Mid Cap. And we will also start Sensex very soon. Okay. And you can see here long build up, short build up, and short covering, long unwinding. This all will get updated every 3 minutes. So as in any other platform, it is going to get updated every 3 minutes. And you can know, like you can ask me what I'm going to do intraday with this, but still, yes, if there is a long build up, then you can form a strategy for that. And even if you don't have any idea about strategy, then we have a lot of strategies in Find Strategy. We can use that as well. So these all are predefined strategies. So I'll explain you that as well. Okay. Now, see here, let's say you have a good long build-up in Ambuja Cement, and if you want to go long, then you can just click buy, and you can go see. Basically, this is all for future and options, so we can directly go for a buy. If you want to execute, you can just execute it. So nothing difficult in that. So it's very easy, and it will be very fast also. Okay, and same like a long unwinding, short covering, all those we can see intraday itself. And you can see here, Bank Nifty, Nifty, Fin Nifty, Mid Cap, all advanced and declined stocks are here. So if you just toggle this advanced to decline, you will know, you can see here all these stocks which have declined today. And you can just toggle this to advanced also, like Nifty, Fin Nifty, Mid Cap. Okay. So first 35 minutes to 40 minutes, I'll explain you all this. Then last 20 minutes, we'll leave it for Q&A, so that you can ask me if you have any doubts. See, basically, we need to pitch to the client so that they'll start using our platform, right? So there are many features which will be very easy for them to trade. So you can see simply if you have advance and decline, then you can see which stock has advanced like percentage wise, and you can just jump into it to get a momentum trade, right? So same wise decline also, you can just toggle this and you can see which stock has declined too much. Like let's say, yeah, you can see here 2%, then 1.7%. Then we can just jump into it for a momentum trade, right? Yeah. And now we have one more index contribution, same like that. We have a contributor, like let's say now AU Bank has contributed for only 2 points for Bank Nifty move today. And you can see HDFC Bank contributed for 72 points down movement for Bank Nifty. Okay. And same wise, ICICI Bank, see, today it was almost sideways. So you cannot see big numbers here. But when there is a trending day, you can find like HDFC, ICICI, Axis or SBI will be having good numbers there. So we can also, yeah, go into a momentum trade for that. If contribution of particular stock is higher in the sector, okay, or index for that matter. And you can see the same thing in Nifty. Here we can see stock wise, which stock has contributed more. And also we can see sector wise. You can toggle this to sector, and then we can see here which sector has contributed more. Okay. So with this, if you have a momentum stock in metals and mining, then you can go for metals and mining long side. And if you have momentum stocks, if you have already selected some momentum stocks on healthcare, then you can go for sell also. Okay. So this is how we can filter it. So this is going to act as a screener also. Like you can filter the momentum stock, you can filter the momentum sector, where is the market moving, all this you can find it here. Okay, so, same like that for FinNifty, all stocks and mid cap as well. Okay, then this is the fine strategy. And here, now let's say our view is positive, then we can select Nifty. Okay, now let's say now Bank Nifty, I'm negative. So I'll select Bank Nifty and expiry, then I'll go for negative. And if I go for fine strategy, you can see here what all combinations are available. This all will be predefined. So it is defined, risk is defined, and the reward is also defined. So we can just jump into the trade by clicking execute. So as soon as we click execute, both the combos will be here, and we can click execute. But you can see here it is 30, right? So it should be 15 for one lot. And MIS trade, limit trade, like limit, all this I'll just show you how to set this up. Okay, so this is very simple. Now normally I trade with 2 lots, so I have kept default as 2 lots. And always I trade intraday, so I kept it MIS, and I always enter at limit. Exit only I'll go with market orders. So I've kept it limit. Okay. So before setting all this, we need to go for settings. And in settings, what I can do, like MIS, CNC, normal, limit, market, SL. See, this is all normal, no? But what we can do here, if I change it to market, and if I change it to, let's say, 5 lots, okay? I've changed to 5 lots, and I've changed to market. And here I'll go for normal. Okay. And I will save. So once you go back, if you click, let's say here, I'm just selecting, you can see here, it's already 5 lots, normal, market. Okay. So whatever your preference is there, you can just change it to that preference, and you can just click it in just like 1 or 2 seconds, not more than that. You can execute a trade. Okay, so I'm putting back everything to normal, 2 lots, and then save. So when I go back here, we can see it is all changed. 30, like 2 lots, MIS and limit. Okay. So now if I want to place a trade, just click execute and it will get placed. Okay. Now, okay. Then let's go to option data. See, as I've told you, wherever you see strike price, you can just go for buy and sell. You don't have to add it in the watch list. You can see here, rarely I add something in the watch list because I was watching this two strike price today and I was trading in this. So I had use this strike price. Otherwise, normally, if I want to add something, if I want to trade in any strike, I'll just go directly trade buy and sell here. See, if you click here sell, then you can directly go for sell. And if you want to toggle, you can change it buy and sell, put and call. You can change strike price. You can change expiry, and everything you can change it here. Okay. So it's that easy to trade. And I don't have to tell about option chain. Option chain is all the same like you see in any other platform. So nothing much here, but you can find all details. If you just go for Greeks, you can check the Greeks as well. And if you want to check the put Greeks, you can go here and check this Greeks as well. Okay. And if you want to go for more strikes, then you can go for view more, and you can get the entire option chain strikes. Okay. And OA statistics, this is also same. There is nothing much in this. You can see how call OA build up and put OA build up, overall OA build up here, and you can see here strike wise. As I already said, we are seeing a strike here, so we can buy and sell here also. So if you find that 46,000 call or more, then buildup is higher. Then if you want to go for a sell, then you can just go for a sell here and execute it. Okay. It is that easy. You don't have to think about it. If see, it is, as we all know, wherever the call buildup is higher, then we can go for a sell. So it is as simple as that. And if you want to have a higher range, yes, you can go for it. And if you want to go for 47 call, then click this, change to sell, and then execute. Okay. So it is not going to take at any point of time more than 2 seconds to execute an order. If you have all predefined data, then it is very easy. Okay. Then trending oil. This is a very unique feature which is available in InstaOptions. So only with this feature, you can easily pitch to a client to use this. Okay. This is just going to give you a sentiment, how the market is going to move. But it is not necessary that just because this is negative, market is going to go in negative direction only. No, it is not like that. See, basically what we do, now let's say market is around 45,500. So morning it was around 45,500 Bank Nifty. So we are going to select 3 strikes below and 3 strikes above 45,500. So this is going to be default. You don't have to select it manually. This is going to be default. 3 plus minus and ATM. So it is going to collect all the data like call and put for all these 7 strikes. And we are going to plot it here. Now let's say around 9:30. Yeah, here 9:30. The difference between call and put OI is around 6 lakhs, right? Like 5.5 lakhs. Okay. So it is going to reflect the same here. The difference between call and put at 9:30 was 5.5 lakhs. So here you can see that call OA is higher and put OA is lower. So which determines us market might move downside. So sentiment is also downside. So if you find sentiment is downside, at least we can avoid going for a long trade. Yes. So that we can do it. Otherwise, we can go for a sell of call option. It is not necessary that market is going to go down, but there is a high probability that market will move downside. Okay. So this is one very, very unique feature which is available in our platform. And using this, we can make a lot of strategies. And even for option buying strategies, these are very helpful. Like if you want to scalp, we can just go with this. Sentiment is negative, then we can go for put option buy for a scalping of 30 to 60 points. So even I do that. And today, like market was volatile, but still we have got only one trade, but it ended up in loss. Okay, so we can make strategies like that. Okay, and this is just going to indicate like let's say 10, 11:30. Difference is around 40 lakhs, right? But it is on the negative side because call is higher. So at 11:30, you can see here it is 40 lakhs minus, so which is going to indicate us market sentiment is negative. And you can see 12 p.m. market sentiment tried to turn positive, but it did not turn positive. So as long as it is on the negative side, we will not go for a long position. And as long as it is on the positive side, we will not go for a short position. We can just have a simple strategy. So you don't have to teach a lot of things to clients, that they can just see the sentiment and take position accordingly. At least they can avoid the position which they are going to take in the opposite direction. So this way, this is a very, very good feature which I'm using day to day, and it is helping a lot. But the thing is, this all will work after like 9:30 or 10 o'clock. It is more precise. If you go like initially, you can see here OI was positive, like sentiment was positive, and then it turned negative. So it is better to analyze this after 9:30. Okay. So this is one very good feature which we can pitch to the client to use this. If they start using this and if they use it for at least 1 week, then they'll start loving it. No doubt about it. And next we'll go for put call ratio. Put call ratio, as you all know, it is very simple. If it is less than 1, it is going to be negative. But if it is more than 1, it is going to be positive. But here, there's nothing much to say. This basically, if you ask me, I'm not looking into it a lot. I'm just checking trending OI and options chart. Now let's see what is there in options chart. This is going to just give you the see here. I can just toggle between price and OI. So I don't want to see price. So I just clicking this to remove the price. So now it is very clear. This is going to give you the ATM strike. Okay. So wherever you see strike price, you can buy and sell. Okay. You can do it from here also. And market like call OI was increasing. At the same time, put OI was also increasing. So this is going to give you ATM call and put analysis. Okay. And we can see the combined chart also here. Here we can see that there is not much difference between call and put. Both are moving in same direction. When we can enter the trade, when call crosses put or put crosses call. Okay. So whichever is the dominating side, it is going to go on the upper side, right? But at the same time, the weaker side should also move downside. Now, okay, I'll just give you a sample. You can see here, crossover has already happened, and the weaker side is the put side, right? It is moving downside. But you can see after some time, even call is also moving downside. So this is not a good sign. We cannot hold the trade. So this all like simple things which we can means we can create a lot of strategies using this just crossovers of OIs. Okay, and this will be very helpful. And if for an option buyer, especially scalpers, this is very good. If you are going for intraday option selling also, this helps a lot. Okay. Now there is a crossover, and you can see both call and put traveling in the same direction, which means we should not stay in the trade. And there was a crossover. Again, both are saying means moving in the same direction. Still, we should not hold the trade. There was a crossover, but immediately put put OI reduced and call OI increased. So these all very simple things which will make us understand how the market is going to move at least in next 10-15 minutes. That is more than enough for a scalper, right? So what I feel is in market, many people who are there for just entering with some 10, 20, 30 lots, and then they just scalp 10 to 15,000 a day, and then they exit. So this is how current trend is there. That is what I see in option trades. So for them, this will be very handy. Like option charts and trending OI will be very handy, and they can use it to mint money like this. Okay. And this is all about the options data. And next, we'll see strategy. Here we can see combined premium chart. This is also one very good feature which option sellers can use this. Okay. So by default, it has selected 44,900 put and 45,900 call. Okay. So we have like 1,000 points between, and you can see premium here 95 and 43. So put together, you are going to get something around 140. So it is going to give you the combined premium. So what are we going to do with the combined premium? Is very simple. You are going to place a stop loss for the combination premium. You are not going to place stop loss for individual leg premium, right? So if you place stop loss for individual leg, what happens? Market shot up and stop loss got hit and market reversed. So now your call and put both stop loss will get hit. But if we have a combination premium stop loss, now let's say we are entering at 920. Okay. We'll enter at 925. Okay, at this point. So let's say we have sold something around 323 rupees. Okay, let's say 320 rupees, and you keep 20% stop loss of combined premium. So what will be that? 64 rupees. So 320 plus 64 will be 384. If the combination premium is going to 384, only then we are going to exit. Okay, otherwise we will not exit. And you can see here, market was volatile, moving up and down, but even though the premium kept on going down, right? If you want to have a figure as your stop loss, like 20%, 10%, you can have that. Or else what we can do, we can use super trend or moving average also as a stop loss. Okay, so now we'll change this to 10 factor 4 or 6. depends on how far is your premium. If your premium is very far, then you can keep 4 or 3 also. If your premium is slightly nearby, then you can go for 10 10 6. Sorry. So this is working better, which I've seen. Okay, so this is the combination. Super trend 10 6. Then you enter at 9:30, and condition should be this combined premium should be trading below the super trend. Okay, so like this, we can derive a lot of strategies from this, and we can just tell clients to use it. And once they start using all these features, then yeah, basically they'll become lazy actually. Yes, and it will be very easy for us to take it forward. Okay, so now let's say I've entered here and my stop loss is very, very minimal. Like, okay, let's say even this is moving 40 points, 50 points higher also, it is going to be somewhere here only. We can exit. Instead, if you keep one side stop loss, what happens if market is coming here and then reverses again? Your call put stop loss will get hit, and then again call stop loss will also get hit. Finally, we'll end up losing money. But you can see here, you sold at 320 and you might have exited at 166. Still, you got 150 points. In present market condition, getting 100 points for a straddle or strangle is a big thing in intraday. Okay, so we can use like this. Okay, now let's say on 25th. 25th, I'm entering at 925. Okay, I've sold for 569 rupees. Will we enter here? Already stop loss is more than 130 points. So we should not enter here. Wherever stop loss is lesser, we can tell them to enter. That is more safer. See, actually, we are playing only a probability game. And whenever our risk to reward is better, when we have a better risk to reward, we are going to make money. So there is no point in entering this trade because already your risk is very high. So there is no point in entering the trade, right? On 25th, sorry. Yeah, there is no point in entering this trade. So we'll enter when the price is somewhere near to the super trend at our entry time. Okay. So like this, with only a combined premium, we can keep making like 10 to 15 profitable strategies. But the thing is, we need to be consistent in that. So if it is not working for like 4 5 days, then if they quit from here, then they will never make money anywhere. So that is what will happen. So this combined premium, we can use indicators like a super trend, and also we can use moving average. Moving average also works much better. Okay, so here I will remove this, and the moving average, we can go for 30. Okay. So I will enter when the price is below moving average, and I'll exit when the price closes above moving average. Okay, so even this works much better. That depends also if you are trading in a 3-minute candle, then that is also good. Here your risk to reward is always better because this moving average is going to move along with you, and we can make good money in this. Okay, even yesterday, yes, we had hit stop loss. Then again, we got entry. We might have hit stop loss, but see here, there was one more entry, and we might have made good money in that. Okay, so like this, we can keep creating different strategies using this combined premium chart. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add legs. Okay, here I'm going to add some more legs. Let's say Bank Nifty, I'm going to buy as a hedge. I'm going to buy, okay, buy one lot, and on the other side, I'm going to buy one more lot. Okay, this is just as a hedge. Now this is going to give us more stability. Okay, so this is going to give me more stability because I have also a hedged position. Okay, when market is moving, so your unnecessary stop loss getting hit will be saved by this hedged positions. So let's say on the put side, if premium is going higher to 110, 120, at least this is going to reduce 10 to 15 points from there, right? So at least 5 points or 6 points. So more than that, so this 5 6 points will help us from exiting the trade, right? and it will also give us a very good hint that market might reverse or market will not reverse, because when hedge is not moving and your premium is moving, market will not reverse. When hedge is moving and your premium is moving slowly, then very high possibility that market might go in that direction. Okay, so that is more important. So if you have a bare minimum idea, and these tools are going to be very handy for you to trade easily. Okay, and payoff chart. So whatever I've selected, this is going to give you the payoff chart of that, like what is the risk reward and how much you are going to get at the expiry, and at present point of time market moves, where it is going to be. Okay, and we all know this multi-strike OI is just going to show you the OI which is at these 4 strikes. Okay, so when you can see here 46 400 call, OI has shot up, which means people think that tomorrow market may not go up. It means at least not beyond the 46 400. Okay, so we can take trade based on this as well. Okay, but normally when we have combined premium, it is not necessary to go and check all this. But if you are more interested into it, then we can use this multi-strike way as well. Okay, and so combined premium, we can use super trend, moving average, and what else, like yeah, some people are using even Bollinger Band for this. So when the price is going above Bollinger Band, then they start their sell position. So even that is working good. Okay, and after this it's orders, like see today's trade, as I said, I took only one trade was there, and this ended up in losses because market was moving on the sideways. It was not trending on any direction. Okay, so when you go in orders, you can find position book, order book, and see, this is all orders which I placed now, and morning there was only 2 executed orders, 1 entry and 1 exit. And as I said, I entered in uh, buy price of limit and exited with market orders. Okay, and we can see cancelled orders, execute. See, the biggest advantage is, as you have already integrated in your platform, so it is very easy for you to navigate. When you navigate this, it means you can see it is very easy to place an orders. Okay, so it will be same like your platform, and there will not be much difference, and UAE is very user friendly. Okay, and trade books, yes, these are the 2 trades. And if you have anything in holding, and if you want to place, if you are placing an basket order, then you can add that also. Okay, now let's see here, I'm placing one order here and one more order here, and let's say let's go to options chart, and I'm placing this one. If I keep adding it, then you can add it as a basket and you can place this as well. Okay, and if you want to execute this basket, we can go to orders, and your basket is here, so you can view, and then immediately you can place it at any time. So if you want to update, you can just change it, and then you can update the basket. So now I've removed this 45 sound output, and I'm updating the basket. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So this is very simple, very easy to understand, and you can pitch to your clients to use this. Means you can just tell them to use it for a week or so, and they'll get addicted to this. I'm very sure they'll. It will be very easy for them to trade. Okay, and if you have any queries, you can put that in chat box. And from my part, this is a just walkthrough of our Insta options. And maybe in future we'll have a lot of sessions where we can explain each and every feature, and I'll just share you some strategies as well. Okay, so from my part, it's done. So if you have any questions, please go ahead. You can just post it in the chat box. Okay, see, we need to give more importance to this Q&A session, because I've told what I wanted to tell you. And if you have any doubts, please start asking that, so that you will get a good clarity, and it will be easy for you to take it to the clients. No. This is not an, okay. This is only an analytical platform, and this is an analytical platform, and also this is going to, you can execute it easily. Okay, basically our idea is to just to give some means analytics. Okay, and to ease for the like clients, so we have added some like execution part also to that. Okay, so this is not going to give any recommendations, nothing like that. Rollover data. Yeah, okay. Like you want to go for next week? Yes, it is available. So okay, now let me show you rollover data. Like next, I want to select next month expiry. Okay, so even next month expiry, you can see here, it will be only spikes here, because there will be very less transactions in the, even in the next week there will be less number of transactions. And so okay, now because of budget, yes, you might have more transactions next week. Otherwise, your means for like 1 month expiry and all will have less transaction. You can see a lot of spikes here, but present week you can see here it will be much smoother than uh, like for expiries. Okay, and any ticket size for entry? No, nothing as such. Nothing like that. Nothing is fixed here. You can enter at any point and with any quantity. So if my answer is right, or if you are mentioning something else for ticket size, please let me know. And can we work on combination of rollover and OE change strategy together? Yes, yes. Stocks, okay. Stocks rollover. Okay, you can see here. Stocks, we will not find. Yes, you can see here, right? We will not find like that. Okay, now I'll just go for round figures. 650 and 625, 600. So this is how we can go with stocks. So wherever we find that there will be more liquid. Stocks, if we go for all this data now, it will not be much liquid. So that is the issue. Now, okay, now let's see, let's go to lines. So even in Reliance, you can see there are a lot of spikes. With these spikes, we will not be able to trade. So that is the issue. But if you go for index, then that is much better. I have traded only in index. I have not traded in any stocks because of this spikes. This spikes will give you very wrong data. Okay. So now you might think that you will not enter in this, but when it is on the live, then you will feel that there's going to be some short covering rally or something. Then immediately market is reversing. So like this, it will not happen in indexes. It might happen, but this spike, abnormal spikes will not be there. Okay. So yes, we can work on rollover and change OI change strategy as well. Yes, we can do that. Yeah, this is for stock option too, but see, that is what I have shown right now, right? So that data will not be precise, and liquidity is very bleak in stocks. So it is always preferable to go with indexes, to stay with indexes if we are going for intraday, at least in options. So that is what I do. I just stay with index, and I'm playing only with Bank Nifty. I'm not doing anything else, just Bank Nifty. And if you want to analyze, then like, okay, you can go for lines and we can see sentiment actually is not that good with stocks. Okay, but statistics, why statistics? Yes, you can see here. This will give you a very clear picture of what is going to happen. Now let's see, all call buildups are there and put buildups are very less. So we might expect market to go down. Okay, and actually wanted to ask, can we do on behalf clients on autopilot mode? No. Okay, yes. So, but yes, you can do it. But how will you do like more than one client? You can do it with one client only, right? You can log in on only one client. So you can do it for a single client. Yeah, you can do it like remote. Yes, if you place from here, it is going to get placed in our broker's account. That is possible. But autopilot board, if you want to use any algo platforms like our platform Quantman, then yeah, it is possible. Then how to use long and short build-up data for stock option trades? Okay, now let's see. So I'm going to select these stocks, long build-up and short build-up, especially short covering stocks. So wherever we find some short covering stocks, we'll see how much is the movement. If there is a short covering and if, okay, sorry, last change. And if the market movement is not good, then let's avoid that. But if we do some short covering, and if percentage movement is, let's say, if it is more than 2% and there is a short covering, then I can jump into a momentum trade. Okay. And if there is a long build up and if market is moving higher, like more than 2% or something which is more than normal, like let's say for Ambuja Cements and all, like 2% is nothing, right? But stock like HDFC or any blue chip stock, 2% is something big. So we can enter in that. So this you can identify which stock is in momentum, which stock has some movement today. So with that, you can just enter it. Okay. And yeah, anything else? Yeah, this is for stock options too, but you can say it is more easy to trade in indexes using this data, like what I've shown you, trending OI and the combined premium chart, because you can have same for Reliance as well, like blue chip stocks which has more liquidity, but data like liquidity and other things, if you see, it is always preferred to stay with index using all this trending OI and other things. But yes, OI statistics you can choose, you can do it, and you can check this, and option chain you can check this. Here, if you toggle this, it is going to show today's OI change. So today's OI call build up was there and put already all this has been covered. So on there has been unwinding in this put. So let's see how is it going tomorrow. And here in Nifty, let's say morning it was positive and it started going on the negative side. Even single time there was no recovery in the sentiment, right? And you could see Nifty today it was keep on falling. It was doing nothing else. So we might have got signal around let's say 10:45, 10:48. So this is a 3 minutes delay in that. So we'll get it at 10:51, and we can see sentiment is already negative. And when if we have any put like a short setup, then we can enter into that. So we will not enter when the sentiment is positive. Okay, so that will I will not say that this is going to increase your probability to 30-40% more than what you have before. No, it is going to increase by 10 to 15% probability, but this 10 to 15% probability in a long run is great. Okay, so that is how we can use this. Okay, so any other doubts? Question and answer. How to use long and short build? Okay. High or low of option strike price. Mr. Sunil, can you please explain this? What is that? High/low of option strike price. I didn't get your point. Sorry. Okay. So any other doubts? You, please ask something else, some more doubts also, like so that it will be useful for others also. Okay. And this is basically for intraday planning. It means trade plans only. And positional, I don't think this will be more effective. And yeah, few features like OI statistics might help you, but trending OI and combined premium charts are good for intraday. So now people are struggling to trade intraday, right? So this all helping a lot, and this is increasing our probability of winning by like 10, 15, 20%, and which is more than enough for us to be profitable in long term. Okay. So anything else?
You can let us know in case if you would like to speak,
No doubts?
unmute you so that you can ask question verbally as well.
Yeah.
In case anyone wants
Mr.
to
Nikhil?
verbally ask, you can please raise your hand. We will unmute you.
Yeah, please go ahead,
Yeah,
Mr.
Kiran, you can let us know. You can speak now.
And raised to Kiran Kumar. Please go ahead. You can just type it in chat box.
Kiran, are we audible? Should we unmute you?
Okay. More one day again. Yeah, sure, sure. We'll plan for some other session also, and I'll explain you each and every like feature, because this is just a walkthrough. I've just gave you some hint on
Rajesh, can you hear
how to
me?
trade with this. Yeah, we will plan in future, like once a month or like twice a month. We'll plan and we'll just explore more on this, like each and every feature, how to
No.
trade, what strategies we have, what we
Rajesh,
use, how much profitable it is. Yeah, we'll discuss all this.
hello.
No, in option chain, you need high, low.
Kiran, you're audible.
Okay.
Rajesh, hear me, no?
So
Hear
you
my
mean that
question. Arey, you're
full,
going
like
on, yeah.
if
You're
you
not
want to
hearing my
see,
question.
Rajesh, is Kiran audible to
you want
you?
to go for view more, then you can see from top to bottom all strikes. Okay. So you mean this one, or
Kiran, please allow us a moment. We'll check if Rajesh is able to hear us.
Hmm.
Rajesh, are we audible to you?
yeah. Now you are audible.
Yeah, so Kiran has some questions. Kiran, please go ahead.
Rajesh,
Yes,
see,
yes. Please go
we
ahead.
are talking about a rollover that happens in the end of the expiry, monthly expiry,
Oh.
last 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, 2 day. I mean, the rollover probably starts on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
Mostly 90% of the rollover happens on Tuesday and Wednesday.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Okay.
So that rollover that has happened
Mhm.
subsequently, can I see that data and classify rollover stock into bullish and bearish stocks?
Okay. So okay. Yeah, we can do that. But
Where is it? Where is it?
yeah, see,
What you are showing is trending OI. OI is
yeah.
different than rollover.
Yeah. See, but what we can find here is, you can see here which has built up now and which has already unwinded, right? So now
No,
let's
that
say,
is rollover, my dear. I'm not talking, sorry, OID. I'm not talking about OI at all.
okay.
I'm talking about rollover. Rollover is carry forward of position. See, if I'm long in this month, if I
Mhm.
continue to be long by
Okay.
selling and then initiating a fresh position in the next month expiry, that is rollover.
Yeah, got it. Okay,
Hmm.
see, basically we have designed this for mostly for intraday traders. So
Okay.
you find mostly means towards intraday trading. So what you're asking now, I understood. That feature is not available in this. Like you can say
Okay.
that we are not concentrated more into that, like positional trades.
So it's all about PCR and open interest change,
Yeah. That's it.
right?
Yeah.
One snapshot.
Mhm.
So just show me one snapshot or
Mhm.
for the day
Mhm.
compared to previous day where open interest is also visible and the price of the stock is also visible across all the stocks.
Okay. So now I don't have any now. So we'll do
Like,
one thing. So we'll collect these data, and when we have a next
here
session.
I can see here a long build up and short
Yeah.
build up you are classified, right?
Yes.
Separately.
Yeah.
Okay, now in the increasing or decreasing order of OI interest, will I be able to see all the stocks at one go?
So you want to see all the stocks at one go. So we can see that.
We have about, if not all, at least 100 stocks out of 200 in F&O. Can I
Yes.
see 100 stocks at one go,
Hmm.
wherein which is organized in a descending order of open interest change when
Yeah.
compared to previous day, and price is also visible next to that.
Okay.
That is the better opportunity for me to carry out intraday. If open
Okay.
interest change is positive, shooting up, and price is also going up, I might as well go long in that stock, no?
Yeah. Okay. So we'll do that one. I'll just note it down, and
Mm.
I'll tell our tech team to do work on that. And so
Mm.
that what we need is last, like a price movement and change in Y should be visible for all
Together,
stocks. Yeah, together. So that it will be
for
easy
the
for
day,
us to
for the
enter.
day.
Yeah. Fine.
OI change when compared to previous day,
Previous day,
previous
yeah.
day to today. Now, say
Uh-huh.
for example, one particular stock,
Okay.
Reliance.
Uh-huh.
Compared to yesterday's open interest, today's
Yeah.
open interest is up, going
Mhm.
up and accumulating and increasing continuously.
Okay.
And
Mhm.
beside that, price is also, say for example, going up continuously.
Going up. Got it.
Okay. So something which is up for the day, that's a momentum for me to encash for rest of the day.
Okay.
I will initiate 3-4 long and I will also simultaneously initiate 3-4 shorts for the day.
Yeah.
Means
Got it.
open interest is increasing continuously
Mhm.
and price is coming down continuously.
Okay.
And if I also have the rollover data, which shows the rollover was in the positive or negative side, that will be an added data.
Okay. Fine. Okay. So I'll
Then I
note it
can
down.
initiate a strategy, two bullish stocks and two bearish stocks. I can initiate and I can hold it for the end of the day.
Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll work on that. See, actually, what we have OI change is actually the data from yesterday and today. But still, what you're asking is if it is visible like next to next, then it will be easy for us to identify all this. So yeah. And also, I found that
And also, the same thing can be done in the case of call option and put option of Nifty.
Yeah.
All the options, all the strike prices with reference to open interest change and price change simultaneously mentioned. So I will get two options which is bullish, two options which is bearish. So I
Okay.
can go long and short.
Okay. But we can find it here, right? OI change and change in price.
This is how it has to be. Yeah, in the case of stocks also. No, but is this listing all the it is classified in terms of call input.
Yeah. Call and put is there. Yeah.
Okay.
Then, so what we'll do the same way for stocks as well. If that is okay, we can just try. Yeah. What you need is for all stocks, right? You want to filter it. Yeah.
See, what I will do, I will go for two stocks in the long side. I mean, in the sense, I can advise my
Yeah. Got it.
to go for two stocks, which is appearing long momentum wise at about say 10 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
And two stocks short momentum wise, wherein open interest is increasing and price is reducing.
Reducing.
So there he'll go short.
Okay.
So totally he'll initiate 4 future positions.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah, clear. Okay. So I'll just note it down and we'll
As
work.
a package, as a 4 position put together, if I'm in profit, I'm not bothered about one going loss, one going. As a combination, overall 4 position net result becomes important.
Okay. That's
So those kind of strategies, in addition to that, you did show me about the basket. Exactly when you were showing about the basket, I got a call. I had to attend that.
Okay.
I missed out. So probably I'll myself try to explore.
Yeah, but that is
area where
as simple as it's like you can select more number of like let's say here I'm selecting then we'll go to options data. So I'll select some more strike prices. Buy, sell. So when we add to a basket, it is going to be in our basket orders. In orders, it is going to be in our basket. So here I can view that. If I want to execute it immediately, then I can just execute it. So it is going to keep a basket. So whenever we find our setup, we can just click execute and all this going to execute. And if you want to change this, we can just uncheck it and update the basket.
Okay. Additionally, in addition to that OI percentage change data for the specific stock, if I get PCR data also sidewise, that will only add to my overall analysis.
Okay, noted down. Okay, we'll do that. So this is going to be actually many feedbacks like this will help us also, so that it will be easy for the clients to use it. And see, mostly if it is more user friendly, more people are going to obviously use it. Thank you, Mr. Sorry. Yeah, Kiran. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So anyone else has some questions like this? Please go ahead. Sorry, my speaker was off initially, so maybe I was talking alone for a long time. And how to use long and short build-up on data for stock options trade from the table you showed. Yeah. See, what like OA change we have, and how much new addition OA is there, and what was the previous OA. So all this we are going to get it from here. Like what we are discussing now, if we have some strategy based on OA, then we can just go out and enter into the trade using this data. Okay. And basic knowledge of options is okay, or no, basic knowledge is if you are depends. No, if you are a retailer, then your capital is very less. Then basic knowledge is okay. But if you are an HNI and if you have good capital and if you want to use all this, yes, of course, we need to know how all this functions, like how option works, how this OA works, and what is PCR. Yes, we need to know at least some good experience. We should have some good experience. Depends on your capital. Like why retailers are losing money just because they don't have experience, no knowledge, and just they want to have some simple strategy to stick on. And even after that, because of lack of knowledge, they don't play stop loss, and then they exit with the higher losses and book small profits. This is what happens. So we need some experience for anything to sustain longer. But to start with, yes, this is a very good tool to start with. This is going to give you some clarity at least in the initial times. Okay. And this option is allowed for online client on trade. Yeah. This is available. No, that I'm not sure about your broker, but normally it should be available for all. So, Mr. Just a minute. Yeah, Mr. Nikhil, please comment on this. This option is allowed for all online clients on the trade web.
Yes, it is. It is available for all our customers.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Then anything else? I want some people to speak up so that even we get some feedback. And if we want to improve, then we can just work on it. Okay, so no questions. Or if you want me to unmute, then please raise your hand. So no questions? Yeah, Mr. Nikhil.
So I think, yes, Rajesh, then we can conclude. Thank you, everyone, for attending this session. In case, I would suggest all our participants to, have a hands-on experience on the platform. They can use it extensively through our digital platforms, both our app and web. And in case in future you have any queries, any questions related to the platform, you can surely get back to us. You can mail us at digitalproducts@plindia.com, and we'll surely assist you in terms of your queries and get it answered ASAP. So again, once again, thank you everyone for attending this session. I hope this platform helps us overall in terms of increasing a footfall in the options business. And I'm sure we will be able to pitch this product extensively to our customers and help them to increase our options business overall. Thank you, Rajesh, for helping us and guiding us towards the overall walkthrough of the platform, and we'll surely get back to you in terms of any questions, queries that we have in future.
Yeah, welcome, Nikhil. Thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank
everyone.
you, everyone. Thank you.